Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for finals Gohar step by step. Start by creating a clear weekly schedule that breaks study into focused blocks. Choose one subject per block and remove distractions like phone notifications. Use short 25 to 50-minute sessions with 10-minute breaks to keep focus. Review high-yield topics first and rotate subjects to avoid burnout while tracking progress each day. In this video, I will explain how to study for finals Gohar step by step. Use active recall and retrieval practice to strengthen memory, such as self-quizzing with flashcards. Mix practice problems and explain concepts out loud to simulate exam thinking. Alternate study modes like reading, writing, and teaching to improve retention. Focus on problem types that appear often and summarize solutions to speed up review before practice exams. In this video, I will explain how to study for finals Gohar step by step. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes study sessions cozier with clear sound and compact design, perfect for background focus playlists or timers. It's a small upgrade that helps mood and concentration during long reviews. If you like this tip, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study for finals Gohar step by step. Treat practice tests like real exams with timing and strict conditions to build exam readiness. Analyze each mistake and create short correction notes to avoid repeating them. Space out reviews and revisit errors several times, aiming for improvement each session. Use summary sheets for quick last-minute refreshes and keep confident pacing during the real exam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.